So we have to start with fluid friction. Now what is fluid friction? The friction which takes place in liquids and gases is known as fluid friction. Now when a swimmer is swimming, he has to exert a lot of force, as water also applies resistant force. And as we push our hand through water, we can feel the resistant force. That is the fluid friction. So all the objects which float in water, such as fish, boats, ship and submarines, so they experience the fluid friction. Similarly, objects which fly in the air like birds, aeroplanes, parachutes, etc., they also experience the air resistance. Even when you are riding the bicycle or you are sitting in bus and car and all, we experience the air resistance. Now, fluid friction opposes motion. So magnitude of fluid friction, it depends on 4 factors. First is speed of the moving object. Higher the speed of the moving object, higher will be the fluid friction. Fluid friction, another term for fluid friction is drag, D-R-A-G, drag. Next is shape of the object. Now, if you recall these points, these similar points were in friction in solids also when we had studied in the beginning of the chapter. Now, shape of the object, fluid friction is decreased by making the object streamlined. Now, all of you must have seen boats, aeroplanes and all, they have got a streamlined shape. Now, what is that streamlined shape? When you are having a pointed shape in front, that is known as streamlined shape. You must have seen the aeroplane or the boats, some boats and all, different types of boats and all, they are having this streamlined shape, so that to cut the effect of the air. Now aeroplane, boats and ships, they are made streamlined to experience lesser friction and they can fly easily. Next is size of the object. It is more for larger object as compared to smaller ones. Now thickness of the fluid. Fluid friction is more for a thicker fluid than a thin one. Water is thicker than air, hence friction offered by water is more than air. Now one activity is given you to check the viscosity of the fluid. Viscous means thick, or you can say gadha. You must have seen honey or jam and all, they are viscous. Now we take 3 ceramic plates and we put different quantities in them. Different quantity of different materials in them, sorry, not quantity, that is water, honey and vegetable oil. So we'll place them in 3 different plates. Now you will see that water spreads faster along the diameter, oil spreads slowly and honey spreads still slowly. So fluid friction depends on the thickness of the fluid. Now what are the methods of reducing fluid friction? So that is to give an object streamlined shape, this is the best method to reduce fluid friction. Even in the case of fishes also, fish, dolphins and whales and all, they have got pointed. You can just like V in front of their body, that is known as streamlined bodies or streamlined shape to reduce the fluid friction. Now you must have seen when a skydiver dives, his speed is slowed down by opening a parachute, because resistance offered by the air, it reduces the speed of the diver. So this chapter is complete now. Revise the chapter and then we'll do the question answers. Thank you.